500. 100 above. Minimum. $200. 100, 50, 40, 30, 20, retard, 5.
Ground spoilers. Reverse green. Decel.
Going at 121.9er, 3173. Contact ground on 121.9er.
Ladies and gentlemen, the cabin crew will shortly be leaving their seats to perform safety-related duties. However, we ask that you remain seated until the fasten seatbelt sign has been switched off. Portable electronic devices for messaging, calls, or internet access may now be used.
Please acknowledge.
Please make sure that you take all your personal belongings with you, checking in the seat pocket, underneath the seat, and in the overhead lockers. Do take care when opening the lockers in case anything falls out.
Sejam bem-vindos. Por medidas de segurança, permaneçam sentados até que o aviso de assento seja desligado.
Observe as normas de segurança, não acendendo fósforos ou esteiras e mantendo seu celular desligado até a sua chegada.
Bom do aeroporto. Tenham cuidado ao abrir o compartimento de bagagens para a retirada dos seus pertences de mão. Eles podem ter sido
Deslocado durante o voo. Passageiros com conexões para outras localidades deverão desembarcar e apresentar os participantes
para as providências de reembarque. Sabemos que a escolha da companhia aérea é uma decisão do cliente. Obrigada por escolher a TAM, uma empresa que tem orgulho de ser brasileira.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. For seat 3 and the remaining seat of the call process about China resolved. You must like matters or lighters and if the cell comes up, we'll have you reach the airport lounge. Be careful and open your related compartments. Your heavy luggage might have secret because no one needs. Make sure you have taken all your possessions, including your mobile phones. Passengers with connecting flights to other cities, such as the bar, by themselves to the ground travel. We know that the choice of airline company is a customer decision. Thank you for your time.